Let's add so we can shoot the arrows and they will damage and they will also disappear. We have 3 upcoming videos. One of them is where we're gonna fix this with the legs is not moving when we are shooting. And another one is that we gonna make a new starting point for new people who want to follow. And what was the last one? The last one was like better enemy aggroing, so when we shoot at them, they go towards us and stuff like that. So let's do so the arrows disappear when we are hitting the enemy. So let's go into our script and add a private void on trigger enter and say if other.tag is equal to enemy, then destroy game object. And then we're gonna go on to our enemy here, add tag, add enemy, save, go on to the goblin, add a rigid body for detect collision, and you remove this, and let's see what happens. Host. Oh, you need to go into the prefabs and go into the weapon, the bow, and the arrow. And actually, the box collider here. Make the collider small, like that, and move this one down, like that, maybe that a little bit longer then. And check if there's a box collider or rigid body on these. If there are, just delete them. And let's try it out now. Let's see. So right now, oh, forgot to say that this is a trigger. Let's try again. Okay, so let's see what's going wrong. So it is hitting, but not getting destroyed. So let's just test something out. What if we change this one to enemy? Is this our problem? And see. And then we find the problem, and now it works. Okay, next step is to add damage. So in next video we will have 2 options how to do the shooting. One option is have a low animation, or like this one. So the animation is so slow. Don't look at the arrows, but there's animation so it can fit perfectly with the arrows. And the other possibility is that we use the animation we already have on from previous tutorials, and we have to code in it so the other option we have is to use this arrow, and it will look different. It's kind of the same, like you see the arrow coming from here, but is we have speeded up the clip a bit. And the place where it's not so good is when we have a very low attack speed. You can definitely see something else, like you shoot like this instead, and it's because this animation is so long, the duration. But it's up to you guys, but I will use the other one. I will link down below in the next video the animation.